Imali got those people. Okay, hold on. I confirm that the total sum of 400,000 naira was transferred to your account for you to get this boy. And give one from that family, Popia, where Madam, yesterday. Kusio quick, Ebeka would Lawo.
I want them, our mama.
Kai would when? Around after 4 today, call yesterday. Yesterday. Egole, my Jerebe Kutenwa, Egole Kabra for getting this 920 watts. 1,000. Egole Kibarani, Lord with you, get one day with that. 520. 520,000. Egole ki wazirani. You can have one, my brother here with 400. Akwime kaimali bigo lulia before. Le kusio kwike ya ndele kwa audience please. Aya kioni here. Akwe gwana nyili bigo lulia before.
Yes sir.
Ke party ebuli bigoro before now. Fuck these people. Umebuke kibiri. Buy ibri eba gini kile me. Restaurant. Then get up at that woman. Get up ya. What up because the buying and learn about watch carefully. Here about this woman. And abu the guy your own yesterday. You know kitchen. Poshian wagelolo. And abu biscuits. Ejila bele new mazi. And just every biscuit here. Here abu sham. Here abu juju. Well, I did call what we're making. Here abu we biscuit here. Every biscuit here. Yes, you mazia. Hama mazia haleme. And to the glory of God, when we met this sinless and innocent son of Uli Onogo. By prayer this morning, so, why the investigation continues.